A small, worn hand reached down, pulling a thick leather wallet from beneath a dusty market stall. Its weight felt surprisingly heavy, unsettling. It was young Ali, who often helped his mother sell vegetables in the bustling Rawalpindi bazaar. His heart pounded with a mix of fear and curiosity. Inside, stacks of crisp notes lay neatly, far more money than Ali had ever seen in his entire life. He gasped softly at the sight. Ali imagined what this money could buy: delicious food, new shoes, or even medicine for his ailing mother. A strong temptation rose within him. But then he pictured the owner's despair and remembered his mother's constant lessons about honesty. Ali decided he had to find them. For hours, Ali walked through the crowded market lanes, holding the wallet tightly, asking every shopkeeper if anyone had lost something valuable. Towards evening, he saw an elderly man, distraught and talking frantically to a police officer near the main gate. The man looked utterly lost and desperate. Ali approached timidly, holding out the wallet. "Sir, did you lose this?" The old man's eyes widened in disbelief and then filled with immense relief. The man, a wealthy merchant named Mr. Khan, embraced Ali warmly and tried to give him a large reward. Ali politely refused, saying it was his duty. Deeply impressed by Ali's integrity, Mr. Khan insisted on helping Ali's family, offering his mother a stable job and paying for Ali's schooling. Honesty is not just the best policy, it's a seed that blossoms into unexpected blessings and opens doors to a brighter future.
ये अली था, एक छोटे खुश्क गांव का पुरज़्म किसान जो कुछ गैर मामूली उगाने के अपने अनोखे ख्वाब के लिए जाना जाता था। इसने एक नायाब फल का बीज बोया था, एक ऐसी कहानी जिसके बारे में कहा जाता था कि इसे फल देने में 10 साल लगेंगे अगर कभी आया तो। इसके पड़ोसी अक्सर हंसते थे, इसे मशवरा देते कि अफसानवी दरख्त पर कीमती वक्त ज़ाय करने के बजाय आम फसलें उगाए। बेखौफ होकर अली ने जलती गर्मियों और कड़वी सर्दियों में बढ़ते हुए पौधे को एहतियात से पानी दिया, तराशा और उसकी हिफाजत की। साल गुजरते गए, दरख्त लंबा और मजबूत हो गया, फिर भी इसकी शाखें हिड धर्मी से खाली रहें, जो इसकी हमाकत की सरगोशियों को हुआ देती रहें। एक शाम इसकी दाना बूढ़ी दादी ने नर्म आंखों से इसे याद दिलाया, सबसे मीठे फल अक्सर पकने में सबसे ज्यादा वक्त लेते हैं मेरे बच्चे। फिर एक शानदार बहार की सुबह एक वाहिद चमकता हुआ सुनहरा फल, जो पहले कभी नहीं देखा गया था, एक शाख से लटकता हुआ नमूदार हुआ। जल्द ही पूरा दरख्त इन मजिजाती जायकादार फलों से लिद गया, जो उसे देखने वाले हर शख्स को हैरत में डाल दिया। अली के सब्र ने इसके मामूली कता ज़मीन को इसके खानदान और पूरे गांव के लिए हैरत और खुशहाली के सरचश्मे में बदल दिया था। हकीकी कामयाबी और सबसे ज़्यादा फ़ायदामंद नताइज के लिए अक्सर सबसे ज़्यादा सब्र और इस्तिकामत की ज़रूरत होती है।
A child's piercing scream cut through the station's noise as her cherished doll tumbled onto the perilous train tracks. At the bustling city train station, well-dressed travelers watched, paralyzed by fear, while a poor, elderly man in worn clothes stood quietly nearby. A wealthy woman, Mrs. Khan, glanced at the old man's tattered clothes, dismissing him instantly as helpless and insignificant. The distant train horn blared, echoing closer and closer, as the child's parents cried out in mounting despair. Suddenly, the old man, without a single word or hesitation, swiftly climbed down onto the tracks. Gasps filled the air. People on the platform shouted warnings, fearing for his life with the train rapidly approaching. With surprising agility, he snatched the doll and scrambled back onto the platform just as the train roared past, creating a powerful gust of wind. The grateful parents rushed to him, embracing the humble hero and profusely thanking him for his incredible bravery. Mrs. Khan, witnessing the scene, felt a deep pang of shame and regret for her earlier, superficial assumptions. The old man simply smiled kindly, handed the doll back to the child, and quietly walked away, refusing any reward or recognition. Never judge a book by its cover. True character and kindness shine brightest, regardless of outward appearances.